Hello and welcome back to Sister Cousins. Today I am tackling a big job, and that is getting into a storage room in my home that has been neglected for way too long. Now let me tell you how this happened. When it's time to take out Christmas decorations, I'm so excited to get things out. I just pull things out, use what I need, and then I just throw everything back in the storage bin, close the door, and forget about it. So now it's time to stop the madness and get this room organized, because what happens is my ornaments and things that I'm using, they just get all mixed up, and I have bins with bulbs in them, lights in them, and everything else. So I need to organize. So the storage room is all empty, but look at this bedroom now. Can't even get in the room. I gotta organize it. Meanwhile, the storage room is empty and it's been vacuumed out. So it's time to start organizing this stuff back in this room. Now, I bought these plastic containers for the trees. So I'll put my pencil tree in that one. And then the 7-foot tree, I'll just go ahead and keep the box for that one. And then I have this one here that's actually empty right now, because my plan is to buy another tree at the end of the season. So I'll keep that one empty and I'll put that in there. But I've stacked them up vertically so that I can create more space. And then I have this box here, which is for the little 4-foot tree. So that will be for my Christmas trees. And I still have a lot of space in here to continue on. And I purchased this, which is for bulbs. It holds 64 bulbs. So I got these off of Amazon. I'm going to try these to see how that works out. I don't know how that is going to stack because these are soft sides, but we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work, I do have this one, or actually for overflow, because I have more than 64 bulbs. I have this little thing with these dividers in them, and I can use that as well. So I'm going to try to get the bulbs between the two of those, and then another bin for like ribbon and miscellaneous ornaments, and then maybe another bin for candles. The plan is to kind of consolidate some of these rubber bins that I have, so that I have room for them. All right, so I'm liking the way it's coming together. I was able to pull all the bulbs. I probably had, I don't know, maybe 6 different bins that had bulbs in them. So I was able to consolidate them. And what I found is that obviously I have a lot more bulbs than I thought, because I have several trees right now with bulbs on them. So needless to say, I'm going to need to purchase another bin or 2 to store bulbs. And then I need to think about the future of my bulb collection, because I have a lot of different color schemes going here. And the reason I do is because I don't like to do the same colors every year, but I need to get my bulb addiction into order here. So anyway, this is what I have for now. And like I said, I'm going to buy a couple more, but I think I'm going to get this kind. I like them better. They're a lot more sturdy and they are stackable. These are stackable as well, but it's a little flimsier. So that was an Amazon fail. I'm going to go with these plastic ones here. So let me keep working. Now, I did purchase this container special, and it has a zipper, and it opens like this, and you can put ornaments in here. And what I've done is when I was going through my ornaments, I started to organize and look at things that I wanted to pass down to my grandchildren. So when my son was small, there was a collection called Chris Mouse. I don't know if you can see that, but they were Hallmark keepsake ornaments. And every year when my son was very small, we would go to Hallmark every season and buy the Chris Mouse that had come out for that particular year. So we ended up with, you know, a number of ornaments that are actually keepsakes, and I think it'll be really cool to pass these down to my grandchildren. In addition to Chris Mouse, we just had other specialty ornaments that were on the tree when he was a small child that he will remember. So I wanted to make sure that I kept these separated. When my grandchildren are older, I will give them to them, and they will hopefully take good care of them and pass them on down. So this will become like a family tradition to pass down ornaments. Another thing that I picked up in the spirit of organizing myself is this plastic container here that is specifically for wrapping paper. So all of my wrapping paper will be going back in here so that it is in a centralized place. All right, so I'm going to do a separate bin for just picks and pine cones because I have a lot of picks that are on the trees this year. So I want all of those together so that I can find them. And things are coming together. I don't know why I didn't do this years ago. Life is going to be so much easier, I hope, as long as I don't buy any more decorations. All right, it's all done. I'm so excited to have some organization in my life. I know you're probably thinking this was such a simple thing to keep organized, but my God, obviously it wasn't for me. So I got it all together now. I've got lights and garland and tree toppers in here. I've got my picks and pine cones, a couple boxes of bulbs in here. I've got my tree skirts, candles, and a couple of the big miscellaneous Christmas decor items. And then I've got my boxes all set for my trees to go in. So it is all cleaned out. And as you can see, I have more room for the boxes for the things that are currently out. So when I put those away for the season, they will fit in here nicely. And I should be able to keep some organization going. Now on to the next project. So I have an extra linen closet in my home that had linen, towels, and miscellaneous items that were not being used. So those items that were in good shape, I packaged them up, took them to Goodwill, and then I started to organize this space and make it functional. So I took extra towels that I need for guests and linen for guests. I organized those in here. I put extra paper towel, toilet paper in here, and then some of my decor that I have for other seasons, like my fall decor and extra charger plates and extra candles and those types of things. So now this space is more functional. I know where everything is and I'm happy with it. That's all I did, folks. I hope that this was a motivation or inspiration for you, that if you have places in your home that need to be organized, that you will do that before 2020 comes in. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you will subscribe and come back by. Bye-bye.